Alright guys, so I'm here with the boring bar. I already got the cylinder all centered out, mounted to the boring bar. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be cutting that first nickel plating on this cylinder, or on this jug here. So I want to take that off, and then I want to finally get to my final dimension so I can install the sleeve in there. So I'm going to go ahead, make my couple of cuts here, and then I'll be installing the sleeve after this. What I did was I finally cut out all the nickel sill plating out of here, and well, it's ready to pretty much heat up. It dropped that sleeve, so I'm probably going to put the sleeve in the freezer for a while while I heat this up. It's going to take about an hour to heat it up, and I'm trying to get up to around 400 to 450. Alright guys, so I didn't really capture this part of dropping the sleeve into the cylinder just because it was so hot, and I really needed to focus my attention on lining up the sleeve to the ports. So after doing all that, everything stayed pretty nice. I did have to apply sealant to the sleeve and then drop it in there, and then that locks it into place. You got about 10 to 15 seconds to play around with the cylinder or the sleeve in the cylinder and matching the ports, and then once the heat grabs onto it, everything just expands together and locks everything in place. Alright, so I finally finished doing the boring and honing. So in order to make the video a little shorter, I went ahead and I did the boring and honing off the camera. I mean, I don't think you guys want to see that. It's pretty long and boring. So from start to finish, what I did was I removed the nickel sill plating, dropped in an LA sleeve, bored and honed it. I think I'll go ahead and conclude the video here, but that was the boring of a KTM 200 cylinder, or re-sleeving and boring and honing. So if any of you out there have any cylinders or need any of these services, hit me up through the email. I'll hook you up. And in the description, I'll go ahead and I'll put the sizes that I can bore and hone and what I can re-sleeve. So I'll just put the sizes down there. But anyways, I want to go ahead and thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.